Now if you look at this question, the variable a is denoted like this. It is the sum of n terms like this. If you basically see 1, 2, 4 dash 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 dash, this is in GP, right? GP. With the first term a is equal to 1, r is equal to 2, greater than 1. And we have discussed in sequence and series theory, Sn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. Is it correct? When r is greater than 1. So what is this a value is equal to? A is 1 into r is 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So your answer to the question will be equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. So we can write here in place of a 2 to the power n minus 1. Is it okay? Now similarly, this also is in GP, right? This also is in GP with the a value is equal to 1, with a value is equal to 1 and r is equal to 3. R is equal to 3. So Sn is equal to, here in this case b is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Is it right? So I can write this as a is 1, right? Here a is 1. So 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2. So what is this answer that we get? 3 to the power n minus 1. So similarly in this case, a is equal to 1 and r is equal to 5. Again this is greater than 1. Here also it was greater than 1. So I can use the same formula. C is equal to a into 5 to the power n minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1. That is equal to 5 to the power n minus 1 divided by 4. So what is this answer that we get? 5 to the power n minus 1. Is it correct? Now 2, 2, 2. Now 2, 2, 2. And then 2 to the power n, 3 to the power n, 5 to the power n. Is it okay? 5 to the power n. Now what we'll do here? We can, from this particular row, we can take the 2 out. So what are we left with? The 2 to the power n minus 1, 3 to the power n minus 1, 5 to the power n minus 1, then 1, 1, 1, and 2 to the power n, 3 to the power n, 5 to the power n. Is it okay? 5 to the power n. You know now what you do? R3 forms R3 minus R1. Okay? R3 transforms to R3 minus R1. So I'll be left with the 2 times this determinant of 2 power n minus 1, 3 power n minus 1, 5 power n minus 1. Is it okay? Then 1, 1, 1, and again this part will be 1, 1, 1, right? 1, 1, 1. 2 to the power n minus into minus 1 becomes plus 1. You can clearly see here R2 is equal to R3. Since R2 is equal to R3, the value of this particular delta, we'll call this value as delta. Is it okay? The value of delta will be equal to 2 into 0. So the answer to the question will be equal to what? 0 is the answer to the question.